And we're back to learning Affinity in the year day 76. Let me show you how you can adjust the text color. So it's a basic function, but some people have that question, and I understand, because when you dive into a new program, it can be confusing. What you need to do is to select a text element, and then you should see right here the color option. I've explained the color wheel in detail in an earlier video, but if you don't want to use it, you can also switch to swatches. If you want to use the color wheel, you have a triangle that's always black, white, and then the color that's set on the wheel, that's the third corner. By default, this is the color fill of the text, and you can also change that up here using swatches or this color scale. Also gradient and hatch pattern, we're going to talk about that later on. I like to use the color wheel. And you will also find this small circle up there. And if you left click on the one that's behind, this is actually for the stroke. So you can also give it a stroke color right there. You can make that red, for example, then green, and you can see how that works. If you just want to switch back to the fill, left click on the filled circle in the background, and you also have this circle right here with a strike through, and that's for none. So if you want to give, for example, the stroke a none, make sure that the stroke circle right here is in the forefront. Click on the strike through circle, then let us switch to the fill, and there we go. You can also give it a highlight color. And this can be set via swatches and color yet again. And it is actually interactive, so it's connected to your text element. If you adjust the text, the highlight will also get readjusted accordingly. And this is how you can change the text color in Affinity. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.